The game show activity is a really powerful active learning type of exercise because it really gets everybody engaged and students seem to really love it. I highly recommend it just because it's very motivating for students, and again, they really seem to gravitate towards the material when it's presented in this special kind of fun, enthusiastic sort of way. So the idea here is that it's a game show, so you're revealing questions, right? But in order to really make it impactful, you need to play along with the idea of the game show. So you need to break the class up into teams, and then also keep scores. These are vital elements again to make it feel like this exciting game show. Along with that, it's important to do it in a certain way so that everyone in the class is answering questions and is participating. So the implementation guide talks about some specific things you can do, the specific way of doing the game, so that everyone gets a chance to sort of participate and no one completely dominates the game, because that can happen if it's not implemented in the right way. That's why the implementation guide is extremely important for this, because again, it can be done in a really powerful and fun way. So I highly recommend it. It's really easy to use because it comes associated with this implementation guide is also a slideshow, and it's a slideshow that you can easily go in and edit and put in your own content. That's another beautiful aspect of the game show, is that it can be used in any subject matter with virtually any type of content. You just put it in there, whether it's an image or text, mathematics formula, anything can go in there to be presented again in this game show format, so that students are really engaged and liking it. So again, highly recommended. Use the example given, implement it, enjoy, and have fun.